Mrantie Dubako Amonso Ejinamodiama Kumasi Asante Kotoko Mohammed Kamara Gabani Onel Dongane Samba, popularly known as Samba Onel, Musa Hamzata, Marifel Donso, Hibert Jao, P17, Patrick Asiedu, Seth Kojo, Adami Nusa, Joseph Amwa, Walid Nema Fuseni, and Aqua Peter Hamidou. Chinia Che Menon, Rafi Abanabemama, the criminal successor, Captain Samba O'Neill long searching pass, or Nema be control, a beautiful control, we take it on, Neso, Adate, Captain on the side, Legina Bona Chidima Dreams, high kick, Neso, goalkeeper Mo Kama, Asaye Juma, Mohammed Shaban Nassar, Nenso, Mohammed Kamar is there to save his land. Worship Peter Amidou, Nenso Boni a corner kick. There is another fantastic Asante Kotoko once again. Nemon Boni Kita Dreams into the 18-year balls. Nenso Mohammed Kamar, good save. Boneda Suekita Dreams FC. Nenso, beautiful control on the ball. Our center circle. Dreams. Nenso Wababone they are thinking. Hibet Chau, long pass to Inusa Adam. Iswing Ayetuma. Nema. On a Sunday, they are clear to score, but what makes it Bonababe Drew, Marifin Donso to Hibet Jau. Nansurebi. Side netting. It is counter. Bonababe Drew, Jonathan Nenso Mo Kamara. Another drama in the game today. Yehu, he finds Peter Amidou into the 18-year boss. Peter Amidou, Fuseni Anya, Patrick Asiedu, Nenso Debi, Rahman Osman, a goalkeeper, Kwakoma, Peter Amidou to Patrick Asiedu once again. Asiedu, another dramatic error. Nenso loses to Dreams. Mohammed Nassar Nikita Bona to the 18-year boss. Naso Samba Unel Eclair the Lions who was 16-year boss in the mama. Bonakita Samba Unel to Fuseni 360 Fuseni Anya Peter Amidou today. Joseph Amwa Nenso referee George Ifa Eddie first department no etumi akweye second department of the game Kumasi Asante Kotoko against Dreams FC at 0. Pony free kick. Nashudabi Pona Sanso a bounce back. A goal kick for Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Fuseni Nema Joseph Amwa Nya Hibert Chau. Oh, Kwame Poku. Ababa Drew, Joseph Amwa, Nemam referee Saboni a corner kick. Walid Nemam Fuseni out. Seth Kojo out. 5 minutes play. Ebenezer Dadi Nenso Mo Kamara, you born the 20 corner kick. Safe Amwa egyina ball no chi one Lawson Junior Chairman Joseph into the 18 box. A goal! Kwame Poku finds the back of the net, and the net is shaking. Goal for Asante Kotoko. You can see from the fans how they are happy and how they are celebrating with Kwame Poku. I told you earlier that after Kwame Poku free injury, you say Osego Edema Kumasi Asante Kotoko, and now Kwame Poku enya a goal for Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Pony throw the my dreams. Watun in Tampa so my bona betri. And that's why kita dreams. Nanso Debbie Bono a goal kick. Hey. Pass Christian Nanso passing to Mianko. Bono kita. Inusa. Nanso Bonensa Babatu Ibechao Lawson to Nanso Musa Awako Iboni the free nothing. Samba Onya Aklaboni the free one. Born that's why kita Dreams FC. Joseph Amwai born the floor. 6 minutes in to Miaso. Nanso, we are still in proceeding. 6 minutes in the so, but we are still in proceeding. Acho trying to contain baby cross samba 18 Boston. Nanso Lawson Kumasi Asante Kotoko are in the game and this is Baby Rooney for you. Asante Kotoko 1, Dreams FC 0. Kumasi Asante Kotoko Shebako Dreams and to me anti match day 14 of 34 Ghana Premier League.